exceptional potential. My mind is cool, calm, and collected. My body is cool, calm, and collected. My mind and body are a unified team, ready to handle whatever exam I may face. I am prepared to excel in every upcoming exam. I am determined to excel in every upcoming exam. I will excel in every upcoming exam. I am strong and capable of excelling greatly. I am strengthened and able to achieve anything. I am focused and not easily distracted. I am committed and dedicated to excelling. I retain new information easily. I remember all my notes and documented data for my exams. I am an exceptional problem solver. I excel in exams with ease and confidence. I have a solid skill set. I am efficient and organized. I am not overwhelmed by exams. I am above exams and can handle anything that comes my way. I am a winner. High-level grades are well within my reach. I am on target to success. I am kind to myself. My mental dialogue is positive. I manage my time efficiently, balancing study and relaxation. I believe I can win. I am not a slave to fear. I am a success. My study habits are strong and effective for success. I will pass my exams with knowledge and preparation. Hard work comes effortlessly for me. I comprehend my lessons, and I am prepared for what is asked of me. My health, both mental and physical, supports my academic journey. I am courageous and resilient. My focus is sharp. My mind is clear. I learn and excel daily. Books are a valuable tool, and I use them wisely. My writing and answers are coherent and excellent. I am proud of the progress I make each day. I am working superbly. I do not give up easily. I am a winner. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn and grow. I celebrate every small victory in my academic journey. I am a problem solver. I find solutions, not excuses. My mind retains information efficiently, making revision easier. I am in control of my study environment, creating a space for success. Positivity is my shield against stress and negativity. I balance my academic and personal life for overall well-being. The dedication I show today pays off in my future. I am a lifelong learner, always eager to expand my knowledge. My actions align with my goal of excelling in exams. I release all fears of failure and embrace the opportunity to succeed. I am disciplined in my studies, focusing on my ultimate objectives. Every practice question I solve builds my confidence. My study sessions are productive. I am resilient in the face of exams and academic pressures. I approach each study topic with curiosity and enthusiasm. My motivation is unwavering, driving me towards my educational goals. I am well prepared for my exams, thanks to thorough practice and revision. Setbacks are temporary. My determination is permanent. I possess the skills needed to excel in competitive exams and in life. Time management is my strength, ensuring effective study sessions. I celebrate the progress I make each day towards my goals. The knowledge I gain today is the foundation of my future success. I am a confident and capable student, ready to tackle any exam. My dedication to my studies is reflected in my academic achievements. The exam environment will favour me. I am well equipped to handle the pressure of exams. My journey includes continuous learning, growth, and achievement. I am committed to my personal and academic development. I embrace the challenge of exams, seeing them as opportunities for growth. My mind is a powerful ally in my quest for knowledge and success. I am destined for great achievements in my academic and life journey. I approach the exam process with confidence and a winning mindset. Every moment of preparation brings me closer to my goals. I thrive under the pressure of exams, turning stress into success. I am in control of my academic destiny, making wise choices daily. My hard work and preparation pay off in excellent exam results. I value the importance of both mental and physical health in my studies. I am an example of how dedication leads to academic excellence. I navigate my academic path with confidence, knowing I am prepared. My ability to focus is unmatched, ensuring productive study sessions. I am calm and collected during exams, trusting in my preparation. I possess all the qualities needed to succeed in competitive exams. I am motivated by my dreams and ambitions, pushing me to excel. I handle the stress of exams with grace and resilience. My preparation practices are efficient, allowing me to cover all necessary material. I am a master of time management, maximizing every study opportunity.